Sarthak here and you're watching Behind the Lab. And evolution is one of the most important theories in the entirety of science. But still in the big 2020s, many people have a lot of myths about evolution, especially the human evolution. You see, human evolution is a very controversial thing. Many religions have their own story on the creation of humans and other animals. So, evolution just denies all of it. That's why there has always been a conflict between religion and evolution. This has led to a lot of myths regarding evolution, and today we are gonna burst it. The first and the most common myth about evolution is that evolution is a linear progression. But it's not true. Evolution is not a linear progression, but evolution can be shown as branches of a tree. These branches can be broken down into clades. Clades is a Greek word which means branches. Clades take a common ancestor and all the descendants of that ancestor. Modern scientists use clades for grouping animals into different classes and to find the closeness between species. For example, if we take the clades of the primates, we can see that humans are more closely related to chimpanzees than to orangutans and gorillas. Evolution is omnidirectional. We can visualize this by imagining a ray of light that is expanding in every single direction. But from where did this linear progression myth came from? You see, evolution is a complex topic. It is really hard to understand evolution. So to teach students evolution in a quick way, textbooks started using these charts of ape evolving into humans. But in real life, evolution happens in every possible way. This is the reason why different hominid species coexisted at the same time. But at the end, we, the Homo sapiens, survived and the rest of the hominids got extinct. Number 2. Humans evolved from chimpanzees. This is overly simplified because humans and chimpanzees are cousin species. Chimpanzees are the closest species to humans by genetics. In reality, chimpanzees and humans had a common ancestor millions of years ago. After many generations, splits occurred. Therefore, we have got now humans and chimpanzees as different species. Myth number 3 is that chimpanzees are gonna become human. This is the most hilarious among all of the others. Trust me guys, chimpanzees are not gonna become humans. They are evolving in their own separate way, just like us. Yes, humans too are evolving in different ways. There is no final form of any organism. Every organism on earth has to evolve till perfection. But the thing is, there is no perfection. No organism is perfect. Therefore, evolution is a continuous process that will occur till eternity. Well, this popular image of a monkey becoming human was not made by Charles Darwin. It was made by Clark Howell. It was illustrated so that people could better understand evolution, as evolution was a new topic and people were finding it very difficult to understand and comprehend in their small minds. But people misinterpreted it as the literal theory of evolution. Chimpanzees becoming humans. Meet Lucy. Not this one, but this one. Lucy is an Australopithecus africanus. Well, that it is. It is a species of ancient primates that lived across 3.2 million years ago. Lucy is very important figure in evolution. Important because when she died, she made it sure that she is gonna get well preserved and fossilized. On a sunny day on the grasslands of Ethiopia in 1974, paleontologist Dr. Carl Johansson and his team was working on a fossil bed or a fossil site in Harder. When there they found Lucy sleeping in her tomb. When the team unearthed Lucy from her tomb, they were fascinated because Lucy was 40% complete fossil. That's a big thing because whenever scientists find any fossils, they are usually some teeth or some bone fragments. They never find a complete structural framework of an animal. So finding Lucy was a big thing in paleontology. But Lucy was not only special because she was 40% fossil, because she was the missing link for capturing the history of human evolution. Lucy was the connective link between the prehistoric primates and modern humans. So in conclusion, I would like to say that evolution is very important in our life as it gives us the story of our origin, from where we came. Accepting evolution is the key to understand our place in nature. As Bridget Alex, a Harvard evolutionary biologist an editor of the magazine Sapiens, says that accepting evolution is key to understanding the natural world and our place in it as a human. Well, this is the end of the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like, share and subscribe button, and till then, bye bye.